Yes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita Lewis. I am your local realtor here in the West Houston, Texas area known as Katy, Texas. And in my last video, I told you guys that I was going to show you a community that is USDA approved. And so today's tour, we are going to be looking at Anglia Homes. And you guys, this community, you are not going to want to miss out. It is a brand new community, so it is up and coming, but there is going to be a town center in the front of the community. There is a pool, there's walking trails, there is a party barn, there's like a little community area that the family can gather. There's playgrounds. And so you really are not that far from Houston. You're about 35 minutes straight into Houston, right off of West Park Tollway. So you're just outside the city, USDA approved, and what that means is zero money down as far as your down payment. Anglia Homes has some great mortgage assistance and everything like that. So if you're interested in learning more, you have to go back and check out my last video, which actually will pin at the end of this one, which talks about the USDA loans. But yes, in this video, we are going to do a community tour. And I know that you're gonna love this video, and great homes for first-time home buyers. And you know, if you're just looking to start building equity and get into home ownership, then this home may be right for you. And they have multiple options. I mean, you can even choose some of your, colors of the inside of the home. You can choose your flooring and things like that, but definitely reach out to me because I have built some really amazing relationships with many of the local builders here, and I would love to allow me to use the relationships that I've built to get you the best opportunity possible. So thanks so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone else who may be looking to relocate to the area or just looking for a great opportunity to get into a new home. Again, this is here at Fulshear Lakes Community, and we are going to be looking at Anglia Homes. Stay tuned.